At the end of this tutorial, you are going to see something like this. You have a traverse station, and you have the traverse leg distance. After you have done the traverse survey, you need to plot this kind of map, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can plot such kind of map in QGIS. I'm just supposing here there are 5 traverse stations, and now I need to make a traverse map that shows the distance and other kind of things. So how would I make such kind of traverse map? So for that, first what you need to do is that you need to have this point data. I have this traverse station data, and in my case there are 5 stations. Now what actually I will be doing it, I will be creating another layer called the line layer. In that line I will be joining all these points. So for that, what I will do is that I will be going to go on layer, just create layer, and new shapefile layer, and this will be geometry type will be line string, and coordinate system will be this in this zone, because my other data are in this zone. I hope your other you keep this zone according to your data format, and I will be just saving this somewhere here in all that same folder, and I'll be saying here it's traverse leg. And then what I will do is that I need to create a distance called suppose let's say it let it be called distance, and in the distance it should be in double decimal, because it can be in point as well. And I'm just going to, its length here by default is given 20, and I don't need this 20. And precision 3 it's given, it's 6 was given, and 3 is also fine. And I'll be just adding 2 field lists. So now I will have 2 kind of field. I'll be also adding another field, and that's called lake, suppose called traverse lake. And because I need the distance 1 to 2 or 3 to 4, what kind of format it is, it's not taking it. So let's say it's a side, and now and I just want it to be in text, it does not matter. And okay, I'll be just adding it there. So basically I have got this thing, and now I'll just pressing OK. Now I have this traverse leg. What I'll do is that I'll just edit it, go to toggle editing, just and then I'll be add line string feature. Just I'll be adding a one feature from 1 to 2. So basically I'll be just zooming it here to 1, and I'll be just going to 2. Okay, 1 to 2 I have gone. Now 1 to 2, then what I will do is that I will just press right click, then just distance. You need to keep your own distance here, because I don't have exact data, and this is all about imaginary data. So I'll be keeping just here, let's say 60 is my traverse distance between 1 and 2. Inside I'll be saying it 1 2. Okay, that's fine. This ID you may keep or you may not keep, it does not matter. So one distance has been kept, just save it. And just what you need to do is that again we need to make from 2 to 3. So I'll be again repeating the same process. I'll just go to 2 and just go to now 3, and just again 2 to 3. Just press right click, then distance, I'll suppose it was 70, let's say. I'm just assuming it. Inside is 2 to 3 to 3. In your case it may be A, B, C, D, and something like that, or whatever it is. Okay, likewise I will be plotting 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and so on. So now my traverse, this all things have plotting work have been done. Now what I will do is that I will just turn this label on for this traverse leg. and I'll just go to its single levels. Then I'll be just going to this go on side. Yeah, this is what I want. I just so this is what I actually wanted. Now I also can do something here, like let's keep it bold. So now this I have got traverse station. Or you can also, what you can do is you can simply call it here, just better to keep in this way, station 1. I think this would be more good than that simply normal. So I have got 4 station, 5 station, and I have got their respective traverse leg. And now this is all what you want, need. And what other thing you can do is that you can simply make its map layout and put some legend and other kind of things. What you do is that you can just go to this layout. You just go to new layout, just go to here this side, and I think you will be keeping this in report. So basic size is recommended, and you can just go here, just go add map, and then just add it here. And when you add this, what you can do is that you can also add legend here. Just add legend, title, and some other kind of information, and your traverse map is done. Okay, if this thing is done, then I'll just, what I'll do is that I'll just lock it here, and just I will add legend, just here, just add legend. I'm not going to do lot of hard work here. I'm just going to show the main things, and other things are quite simple here. So traverse lake, traverse station is also done. So better to keep this traverse station in other kind of color called, I will be just going into its symbology. So what you can do is that it's better to keep this circle in triangle shape, because that is proper symbol for control point. So I will be just choosing this one. What is the triangle? This symbol, this triangle symbol. So yeah, I think everything is done. I guess you give some kind of proper this increase symbol size and other kind of things. So just give the title and other kind of things, and your traverse map is done.